Good afternoon and welcome to a wonderful Wednesday. We are here for our weekly read aloud, and today, Just Us and Books is on the sea. Today, we are on our way back to Florida. We have been in the Bahamas for about 3 days, and now we're on our way back to Orlando, Florida. And as you can see, the beautiful ocean behind me, I had to take this opportunity to, of course, read a story in this beautiful location. So, what book would I read that would connect with us being in the water? Of course, a book about water. The name of our story is called We Are Water Protectors. We Are Water Protectors, and our author is Carole Lindstrom. We are water protectors. Here we go. Water is the first medicine, Nokomis told me. We come from water. It nourished us inside our mother's body, and it nourishes us here on Mother Earth. Water is sacred, she said. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. The river's rhythm runs through my veins, runs through my people's veins. My people talk of a black snake that will destroy the land. Spoil the water, poison plants and animals, wreck everything in its path. We don't like that. When my people first spoke of the black snake, they foretold that it wouldn't come for many, many years. Now the black snake is here. Its venom burns the land, courses through the water, making it unfit to drink. As you're listening, what do you think that black snake represents? Take courage. It must keep the black snake away from my village's water. I must rally my people together. To stand for the water, to stand for land, to stand as one against the black snake. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. It will not be easy. We fight for those who cannot fight for themselves, the winged ones, the crawling ones. The four-legged, the two-legged, the plants, trees, rivers, and lakes. We must help protect them all. We are all related. The earth. We all stand together. We are all related, and we must all help to protect. Tears like waterfalls stream down, tracks down my face, tracks down my people's face. They are sad because that water is not being protected. Water has its own spirit, Nokomis told me. Water is alive. Water remembers our ancestors who came before us, she said. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. We are stewards of the earth. Our spirits have not been broken. We are water protectors. We stand. The black snake is in for the fight of its life. Protecting that water. Very important. The end. We are all water protectors. I do hope you enjoyed our story for today, and stay tuned. I'm going to have a few shots of this beautiful water that we must protect. Just us and books.